Newly appointed head coach of Arnett Gardens FC, Paul Tiga Davis, and the St. Elizabeth technical coach, Omar Wedderburn, are among 5 new coaches holding a Concacaf B license after last month's final practical assessment staged by the JFF's Coaching Education Department. The other successful coaches from a cohort of 8 are Fitzroy Ambersley, Hopton Gilchrist, and Andre Virtue. It brings to 24 the number of local coaches holding CONCACAF's B license. In a release on Thursday, the JFF said the 3 coaches who failed will undergo further development programs for reassessment by head of the JFF's coaching school, Andrew Peart, and the technical director, Wendell Downswell. The workshop was led by Anton Cornell, CONCACAF coaching educator and the former technical director of the Trinidad and Tobago Football Association. The JFF and CONCACAF will stage its next sitting of the B license course for level 2 coaches in the first quarter of 2022.